Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it is time for my favorite part of the season, or the quarter, I should say. I get to open my FabFitFun box. This has been sitting in the kitchen at the shop, and everybody's dying for me to open it, so today's the day. Now, if you don't know about FabFitFun, they contacted me. They asked if I'd be interested in opening one of their boxes last quarter, and of course I wanted to, and I did, and you guys loved it as much as I did, and I found some great new products from using it. But this is like a subscription box, and this box, which we're going to open today, is only $49.99, but it has over $200 worth of product in it. Just wait till you see. And I'm going to tell you about the things from the last box that I really fell in love with too. Now, if you would like to get your hands on one, because I know you're going to like it as we go to open it, I have all my information below. There's a $10 off coupon for you. And I think that's it. It's all in the description below. And thanks so much to FabFitFun for sending this to me, because I love it. All right, let's get into it. I tried to do that quick so we could just get in. I'm ready. So here's the box. Let's move that out of the way and let's see what's inside here. First is a coupon for HelloFresh. By the way, I love HelloFresh. I used it for the entirety of last, let's see, January, February, March, all the way up till school was out. I love it. I stopped over the summer because, you know, we're never home in the summertime, so. This says, pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. This season's leaves aren't the only thing bringing some color to your life. This is cool. I hope I get that. Okay, let's see. This little catalog, once you get your FabFitFun, this little catalog will tell you everything that's in it and what it's worth. Now, I will tell you there's an upgraded box. This one I have here is not it, I don't believe. But there is an upgraded box. So some items you can get, you won't get, and then some you will. And there's even some opportunities to curate your box too. So check them out online and get all that information. It'll make sense there. I'm gonna have my catalog closed so we can see. Look, we couldn't wait. I was like, y'all, wait. Look in here. All right, where do I want to start? I want to start with this. This is a after spa comfortable fit hair towel. Y'all, I use one of these every single day. How do I open this? Do I tear it? I happen to be in the craft room so I can get scissors. No, I use one of these, not every day. I use one every time I wash my hair, because how did I get introduced to this? My mother introduced me to these. These little guys swirl up on your head. Okay, so they're shaped, if you've never seen one, they look kind of funny. They're shaped like this. So see how you have this big part here? That's where your head and your hair goes. I made a mistake laying that in the paper shreds. And then you twist it, okay? So all your hair's in here and you twist it. Boy, I could do better at this. Hold on, let me get all this off of here. Let me move this. We'll dig at it one at a time. Okay, let's try again this way. So this is how it's shaped. Your head goes in here, all your hair, you put, this is at the nape of your neck, right? And see that little button? So at the nape of your neck, and then you put your hair in and you twist this and you wrap it around and you button it. And you think that's hard to do, but it's not. Let me show you. See this little piece here? It makes it super easy. You button it with the elastic piece. I love these guys. So it just goes around. I said it looks hard. On my head, I can do this like magic. See how it does? It's perfect. I have about 6 of these guys, and I just use them over and over again. They're great. They're also great if you don't want to like mess your hair up while you're doing your makeup, because I use it to, like when I do my setting spray, it's perfect to have that on to keep your hair from getting messed up. Look at this. This was also in the box. This is Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair. I need this desperately. The ends of my hair are awful. Oh, it says to shake well and work a small amount of the product in hands. Apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. Oh, it's a leave-in. Did it say that? No. All right, so shake well. I already know. Okay, do you guys know I'm an ex-hairdresser? Here's some news for you. This is why I wish I had a beauty channel like where I could share all my favorites with. Maybe I should do that, but this is the reason I love this stuff. So I already know Aveda is incredible products from when I did hair. Let's put this on and see what it looks and smells like. There's what it looks like. Almost serum-y. I like that. I cannot get that to focus good, but that's pretty close. And it smells like Aveda products. Aveda products don't have this super strong smell. They just smell healthy and clean. And that's kind of what that smells like. And it's very soft. I can see how that's a leave-in. I will be trying that one. My hair is in bad shape. I actually put a leave-in this morning in my hair because it is in such bad shape. Oh, what is this one? Look how pretty. Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. This is naturally derived, vegan and cruelty-free body souffle. I want to smell this. Let's open this up together and see what this smells like. Get that off of there. I have to be really, let me tell you this too. I have to be really careful with products because I'm allergic to so many things. Apply as needed and soothe onto skin. So I have to be careful. So that's one thing I like about this box. So think about this. For $49, oh, I didn't tell you the price of those things. I need to go back and tell you. But for $49, I can test out product, oh my, without having to buy it and then find out I'm allergic. That is incredible. I'm going to be putting this everywhere. This smells like after summer, like after you've been to the beach and you get a fresh shower, and then, oh, I think I smell cucumber, like a lot of cucumber in that. What is in here? Does it say? Lightly whipped for ultimate in kindness, human plus kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Where's the scent on this guy? I want to tell you what this one is. You probably see it. I don't see the scent. Smells delicious. I love it. I think even Vince would like to use this because it's not, sometimes if things aren't super, super scented, he'll use them too. All right, that head wrap for B was $18. That's about right. I'll pay about that anyway for one. And then, is it on this page? Let's see. Let's flip through and see. Here it is. The Humankind is $8. So it was $18 for that one. So just those two products. What was this one? 18 also? Yes, 18 and 18. And then let's look at the Aveda is $30. We're already well over what we would spend on this box. I love this box. So the box is $49.99. And if that's the case, this guy and this guy alone pay for the box, $30 and $18. So it's right at the cost of the box. Let's look at some more goodies. So this little guy here is called Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. This is interesting. Nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. This little guy is a $54 value. Now, here's what's really cool about this. Recently, my daughter-in-law, who is a Clinique representative, they have a name for it, and I forget what they call it, a Clinique. She's certified, I should say it that way. So she has her certification. She brought me home something. She knows I struggle with my under eyes. I do not like my under eyes. And she brought me home something that was vitamin C from Clinique. And I really, really enjoyed the results of that. It really was brightening. So this appears to be powdery, like a little, oh, look at that. It's a powdery little granule-y. Oh, look, it's just like loose powder. And you mix this with your moisturizer. I'll be trying this. See, this is one of those things I would not buy. This is why this box is so cool. I would never invest in this, but watch me really love it. That happens to me a good bit. Let me see if I can get that to show for you guys. It's very, very bright. There we go. I could not get that to focus. So that's what it looks like. And it's 0.2 ounces. Really cool. I'm excited to try something new like that. These right here, you can smell from across the room. These are exfoliating sugar exfoliating sugar cubes, and it's a juice by Juice Cleanse. It says, take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. For body only. It says for external use. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness, this smells incredible. Smell it. They smell so good. What is the scent of these? Just juice. Oh my goodness. And you want to bite it. You want to eat this so bad. So let me see if they're soft. They're a little soft and squishy. Look at that. What's cool is if you didn't need to use a whole one, you could break these apart and make them last longer. I really, really, really want to eat that. And you're not supposed to because it's not food. Let's read what it says about it in the little catalog. It says, oh my gosh, they smell divine. I want that as a room scent. Okay, 7. Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. $16. I will be trying these. I love this kind of stuff. Again, I would never buy this for myself. These are great gifts, but I would never buy it for myself. So that's what I like about the box. I can try things I wouldn't normally buy, and I have plenty of girlfriends to share it with if it doesn't turn out to be my fave. Oh I have been waiting for these. You guys, these are under eye mask. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. These are so expensive. Hold on. These eye masks features hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. $25 for 6 of these. I'm so excited about these. So there's several beauty vloggers that I watch that use these gold under eye mask, and their eyes always look so good. And that's my spot. I hate my under eyes. I'm so excited to try these. I'm not going to share these with anybody. That sounds terrible, but I need these. And regular 25 bucks. That's actually not a bad price for these. I would pay 25 for these. In our last box, by the way, I will put some pictures in here of the stuff I'm talking about. In the last box, we got these gold sheet masks, and I was like, they were so expensive. I wish I'd saved the little catalog. They were so expensive, and I shared them with the girls. Like, I gave my daughter-in-law one, I gave some of the girls at the shop one, and I saved one for myself. And I never do face mask because I'm allergic to everything, so I typically don't. Well, I put that mask on, and oh my goodness, my skin felt so incredible. And so the next day, I was talking to Taylor about it, my daughter-in-law, and I was like, did you try that mask? She was like, was that the most incredible thing? I said, yes. My face felt like different skin. She said, mine too. So we both love that mask so much. So I'll get her to try these with me as well. These are really cool. Also, I would never have been able to afford those gold masks before. All right, then we get, oh look, I got the little chopping block. This is so cute. It's a cheese board. Where's the price of this? Hold on, let's look. So 2D is the twine cheese board with plate, a removable ceramic plate, stainless steel cutlery, and chic acacia wood serving platter. Yes, cheese. 30 bucks. Let's open this dude. This is so cute. Okay. I like that they have something in here that's not just cosmetics. But this kind of speaks to all my senses because, you know, I love home decor. My 3 favorites. Crafts, home decor, and cosmetics. That's my thing. So this fits all of it. Look how cute this is. Let's open this guy up. This is adorable. Oh, and it's got copper. There's copper in my kitchen. Are the blades copper? They are. Look. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. This is a perfect complement for my infamous pickle plate. If you don't know about my infamous pickle tray, that's the thing I take to every get-together. Look how cute this is. This would be so cute with a little hunk of cheese. Oh, no. Cheese ball on here would be so cute. Put some crackers over here and have a little... That's so cute. I love this. And it says that this lifts out. Let me get under there because it's very... Oh, look. So for washing it. I love that. This little guy's cute. You know what else I like about it? Let's say you're not into cooking and you get this box. This is a really good Christmas present or even dirty Santa gift. You know, if you have a gift closet. Do you have a gift closet? Tell me in the comments below because I totally have a gift closet. My mom started that with me. And we have a little closet where when we get things like this that are really nice, but it might not be something we use, rather than get rid of it, we save it for the holidays and we use it for our dirty Santa gifts because this would be so cute as a dirty Santa gift, although that's not what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using it. But wouldn't that be a good one? Cool. All right, there's one more thing in this box. And I already told you the price of that one. And it's this guy. Now, this is so not me, but maybe this is a hint. This is a travel yoga mat. And I don't know a thing about yoga mats. Let's open it up. I don't know one single thing about them. I've never done yoga. Although, interestingly, there is a channel that I'm watching. And she's into yoga. And like, she's not like, it's not a yoga channel. But she's into it, and every now and then she'll do yoga, and I've been thinking, that looks kind of relaxing. It says your yoga mat is foldable for travel use. Prior to first use, we suggest that you unfold the mat and lay it flat, so, just to let it air out and flatten out. It's cleanable. This is neat. This is your instructions. This is just the belly band to hold it in, and y'all know if I open this, I'm never getting it back in. But look how nice this is. It's big too. It's 24 by 68 inches. It doesn't weigh much. It's really good for travel. Let me read what it says in here about the price. Here it is, travel mat, 1B, $50. I actually think I know who I'm giving this to. I think our new girl that we just hired, I think she's into fitness and yoga. I'm going to ask her. This is a $50 yoga mat. This one thing is the cost of the $49 box. I love these boxes. And I know, I told you guys last time, please allow me this indulgence because this is my other passion. Besides crafting, I love to have any kind of cosmetic things, makeup-y stuff, home decor stuff. So I appreciate you letting me do these videos and being able to take advantage of these boxes from FabFitFun. I love them. And look at all the goodies. For 49 bucks, I love it. There's my little cheese board. And I think I'm going to keep all of these. I think I'm going to keep them all. I have been sharing with the girls. They do want one of these. I have to share these with the girls because they've been dying for it. And I'll probably share those masks. I'm not very selfish, so I'll share it with the staff. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget, if you're interested in getting one of these boxes, look in the description below for all the information for that. And do you like it better when I open them sitting like this, just by myself, or did you enjoy it better when the girls opened it with me? We had a lot of fun, and we did a video where we all opened together and kind of got our hands in there. Tell me which style you like, because this is new to me. And so you'll only see these videos like 4 times a year, but it's super fun to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.